Arcee, wake up! Autobot, wake up!
What?
There we go.
Whoa!
No, don't freak out! Don't freak out! Don't freak out! Don't freak out! I know what it is. Now look. You may know me, you may not know me. I am Megatronus Prime. One of the original Primes.
Oh, thank the old spark.
Welcome. Anyways, look. I need your help. Cybertron and planet Earth need your help.
Yeah, well, sorry to break it to you, but I'm kind of in a tight situation right now. I don't know where my team is, and no one on Earth really knows where I am at the moment.
Look, I get that, but you must understand, this is very highly important. And you must listen well. No. Megatron, he's lost it. You've known that already. Right.
No scrap.
Jeez. Let me help you up. Let me help you stand up. Come on. Come on. On your feet, soldier.
I was only knocked
Right.
out for, I think about maybe 2 cycles. I'm not sure.
You were out for 5 cycles.
5.
Now listen.
No.
I know a way to stop him. I know a way to stop Megatron before he kills everyone and everything.
Yeah.
But let me first tell you this.
Lightheaded.
I first must
How
tell
do you
you.
plan on doing that?
Well, first I must explain to you something very important. Megatron's spark is not the normal spark. It stopped being a normal spark ages ago. His spark is the dark spark. Pure dark energon. And as his life force.
Hold on.
It cannot be...
You mean to tell me that he is carrying Unicron spark within him? Like Dark Energon?
Yes,
That kind
he
of
has
dark
the
spark?
blood of Unicron. Yes, he has the blood of Unicron in his body, coursing through his metallic veins. And he cannot be stopped by normal means. He cannot. You need to kill him from the inside.
Con? Bot? What? I thought that was, like, just all rumor.
It's not a rumor. But you have to listen to me. He cannot be stopped by normal means. If the body is killed, his spark will simply move on to the next body that has the dark spark within it. He needs to be killed from the inside out.
Oh, what do you expect me to do from in here, genius? I'm kind of trapped and chained, if you can't tell. I kind of can't really see that well.
That can be figured out later. That can be figured out later. Primus is trusting in you.
Primus?
Yes. Primus, the Allspark. They're counting on you. Ooh.
I'll try my best.
Let me tell you what you have to do. When you get free, and when you get the chance, gather the rest of your Autobot team. Afterwards, you need to venture to the core of Cybertron. You need to extract some of the energon from the core, or from Primus himself.
The last time we were on Cybertron, it was a wasteland. I don't even know what it all looks like by now. Optimus
It's
Prime
not
sent
pretty.
me to...
It's basically dystopia. It's horrible out there. Cybertronians.
Honestly, I can't even remember how I got here. I was interrogated by Megatron himself in Starscream, and then tortured by a few Vcons, and then knocked out or fell asleep or something. I don't remember.
You were knocked out. Megatron got frustrated with you and knocked you out cold. But please, you understand, don't you? When you get free, you need to get to the core of Cybertron. To help this, you need to ask Optimus for the Matrix of Leadership to be able to use that. You need to use it, or else your spark will overload, and you will die from it. You need the Matrix of Leadership to be able to go to the core of Primus, extract Energon, and enter the Megatron's mind, hopefully to the mind with the dark spark, extinguish it.
And how do I know this isn't just another Decepticon trap or trick or whatever?
Does it look like I'm lying to you? This is
No,
drastic.
sir. My deepest apologies.
Do you understand? The fate of this planet, of your allies, of Earth, they rest on your hands. You understand this, don't you?
How did you even get in here?
I have my ways. That's not important right now. Now, please.
I understand time is of the essence, but I can do nothing from in here. I have no way to get out. I can't contact my team back on Earth. I cannot possibly help you at this moment in time.
There, the chain is gone.
Oh. You realize that wasn't my only prison, right? The door's still closed. I can't call for a ground bridge because there's so much radio interference.
I had to communicate to you through your spark. So meaning when I blasted the chain, it was you.
I'm not... Oh. Huh. That's... Don't mess with my mind like that.
Look, I'm sorry, but it was the only way to at least try to help you. But you understand that now? So please, make an oath. Promise me. Promise the fate of Cybertron to all the primes, to Optimus, that you will help us all. You will not fail. Okay?
That's a big ask for a little bot to do. But I will try my best. Megatronus, was it?
Yes, Megatronus. Alright.
Are you still living deep within Megatron?
No, I've ejected out of his body ages ago. I don't want to be a part of his... His body's a cesspit. Cesspit of hate, death, anger, revenge. It's awful.
Then where do you reside
The fact
right
that
now?
I reside in Primus.
Scrap.
I'll have to go now, Arcee. Alright? Let's just lay back down. And make sure to get enough rest. Because what's coming next is unpredictable. Farewell for now.